Hello everyone, this is Jumaila Lumisi.
And I am Rona Nodlasa, and we are going to demonstrate you the procedure of water sampling.
The sampling site is located at Puro 4, Mandaing, Cabanglasan, Bukidnon. It is a tributary of the Pulangi River named Bubunawan, which covers most of the parts of the municipality. It is a river in east-central Bukidnon, flowing southward towards Pulangi River. Bubunawan River is primarily used for swimming, fishing, bath, and washing by the residents. Specific objectives of monitoring. And the water quality parameters to be tested are the following. Materials to be used.
Then enter the river by walking at a slight angle in the upstream direction and try to avoid kicking up excessive dirt and sediment from river bed. Once you reach the sampling location, allow any sediments to settle or drift downstream. Next, perform the triple-filled rinse, which clean your sample bottle. With the water you're collecting and minimize the risk of contamination, carefully remove the bottle cap without touching the inside of the cup or bottle, and then submerge to about 1/3 of the total depth. When bottle is filled with water, close it with bottle cap and then shake it, and after shaking, pour out the water behind and away from you. And repeat the process 2 more times to complete the triple rinse. Take note, to avoid sample contamination, be sure to avoid kicking sediments by moving your feet. When the triple rinse is complete, finally turn the triple rinse bottle upside down and submerge to about 1/3 of the water depth or enough depth. Then slowly turn the bottle right side up to fill. And be careful not to scrape the riverbed to avoid sample contamination. And leave approximately 1 inch of headspace at the top of the bottle. And lastly, exit the river and secure the bottle and put it in a cooler to preserve until it can be delivered or shipped to a laboratory or water analysis center.
Guidelines in sample storage and preservation to avoid contamination. 1. The sample container, new or used, must be cleaned according to its recommended method. 2. Water sample containers should be employed for water samples only. Containers that have been used should never be used as sample containers for water quality sampling. 3. The inner part of sample container and cap should not be touched with bare hands, gloves, etc. Do not put anything in the sample container except the water sample and recommended preservatives. 4. All foreign objects, especially metal objects, must be kept out of contact with the water sample and preservatives. 5. Samples must never be left to stand in the sun. They should be stored in a cool, dark place. Ice chests are recommended. 6. Sample container must be kept in a clean location away from dust, dirt, fumes, etc. Also, vehicle cleanliness is important to minimize contamination. 7. Samples must be submitted to the laboratory as promptly as possible, so that the recommended holding time for the parameter to be analyzed is not exceeded.